Hey there, welcome to the channel. As promised, in this video I want to show you the website that I've been able to build using a couple different coding agents, including free Claude Code and also OpenCode and Codex. This is what I was able to come up with. This is my new software as a service, and I was able to whip this up in probably about 10-15 minutes using some of the coding agents. It's pretty beautiful. You can obviously tell that it's vibe coded, but we've got the pop-ups here, which looks really nice. And you can easily get started and run a free site audit. Currently, it's only on my local server. If you would like access to this, just let me know down below. I'm considering putting it up on its own domain. And in order to get started, I'm just going to type in my domain name right here, which is tubeanalytics.net. Feel free to check it out. And we're going to run a free audit. You also have the option to create an account with Clerk. So you can see I'm already logged in with my Clerk account. And that just was a simple matter of putting in the API keys, so really pretty straightforward to do. And I'm looking forward to building this out in more detail. But as you can see right away, it gives me an AI visibility score. This page, the landing page, is not doing so well. Definitely needs some work. I'm not entirely sure if this is 100% accurate, so I definitely need to make sure to do some due diligence on that. But you can see here's a few of the quick wins. So you can click on that, it opens up in a pop-up. And we've also got the 7 pillars down here as well. So structure and extractability, schema markup, we've got the EEAT and authority, FAQ and conversational, so whether or not you have FAQ sections on the page. It's coming together nicely, and I've also integrated in Anna York's criteria as well, which is an AI visibility guide that I was able to find through LinkedIn. So I've just included this as like kind of a checklist that you can go through and fix up things on your site. And ultimately the goal with this website is to increase your citability so that you're showing up in ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and other AI models, because if your brand doesn't exist on these LLMs, then chances are not going to be able to find you, and this is essentially the new form of SEO. So you're going to want to make sure that you're optimizing your site for AI crawlers. And to that point, there's another site which I use over here, which is super useful. It's just called Trakkr.ai. And the really nice thing about this one, and something that I would like to emulate in my software as a service, is that you can see which crawlers are indexing your site, how many are generating conversations and on which platform, and how many visits you're getting per day, as well as the pages that they're visiting. And I also want to show you how I've built this app as well, because the majority of it was not built with free Claude Code. It was built with OpenCode, which I've already made tutorials about on this channel, and also Codex. Using Codex over here, I've been able to build out a pretty simple mock-up for the AI crawler tracking dashboard, which is going to be built into my new software as a service. You can see total bot hits, active bots, unique URLs, and also the last time a bot visited, as well as the specific bots that are visiting the site. This is just a very simple mock-up, but by using Codex, we should be able to create something fully functional, which will track all of the bots visiting the site, similar to Trakkr. So you can see over here, this is my AI search tool, and in this terminal over here, we're building out Tube Analytics, so I'm just trying to keep them separated. And in this case, this is the proxy server that is running free Claude Code. You can see that the proxy is started up over here, and anytime I send a message to free Claude Code, it will go through the proxy server. If you didn't watch my previous tutorial, take a look. I'll leave a link up here somewhere, and I'll also leave an end screen at the end of this video so you can check it out. But I want to show you one of the main problems with free Claude Code. It's not nearly as good as I expected, and ultimately that stands to reason because you get what you pay for. Obviously, the Pro subscription of Anthropic or the Max plan is going to be leaps and bounds ahead of free Claude Code, but I just wanted to see what it was capable of, and I decided to cancel my subscription to my Pro subscription. But obviously, this leaves a lot to be desired, because I'm constantly getting errors about API requests failed, and it doesn't matter which model I choose. So I can come over here and you can see I have access to all of the NVIDIA NIM models, and then I also have the open routers, or I should anyway, over here as well. And if I wanted to use one of the open router models, like the latest version of Kimi, I could switch over to that, and it will set up the new model, and then I could just do a test over here. So you can see it fired it off to the proxy server, and everything is A-OK. but chances are I will get another API request failed. So if anyone watching this, if you have experience with free Claude Code and you have any advice like how to fix this error, let me know in the comments below. And I was also having a 401 unauthorized error for a long time with free Claude Code because I was starting up the Proxy server before starting up Claude Code over here. So that's one thing that you have to keep in mind. You need to start up this before you start up the Proxy server. It also takes a lot longer as well. You could say it's been thinking for almost a minute now, and it still hasn't come up with a response. So in most cases, I would highly recommend just using OpenCode, which again, I've already made tutorials about on this channel. It is the single best, essentially free AI coding agent that I've found so far. And you can see over here, it's writing all of my code very, very quickly, I will say as well. Actually, in many cases, quicker than Claude Code. And it's just generating all of this code essentially completely for free. Now, if I wanted to switch over to one of the paid models, I could come over to models here and we could switch over to OpenCode Go. But if I do a test on that, you're gonna see that I've actually run out of a subscription quota because I just went ahead and canceled my plan, because honestly, the free models are more than sufficient and I'm mostly using Minimax 2.5. So again, I'll just do a test and it should respond really, really quickly, way faster than free Claude Code, which honestly, I don't think I'm gonna be moving forward with because it's just too slow and I'm having a lot of errors over here. And also it's kind of a pain to set up. So you can see over here, OpenCode has responded immediately and it's asking what would you like to build next. I'm just gonna say build a new feature for the app and it will get started building out a new feature. First, it's probably gonna ask me some qualifying questions. You can see here it's asking what new feature would I like to build, and that only took a few seconds, right? So in this case, I'm just going to build a meta tag optimizer. So that's the next feature that I want to build into my site over here. I've already got the llms.text generator, which works properly, as well as the AI text generator. These are some really important files that you want to make sure that you have installed on your site so that you're showing up in the AI search results. So you can do that through the site. And overall, it's looking pretty good already, and it's only going to continue getting better as time progresses. And I'm mostly going to be using OpenCode and also Codex to build this. Codex is only about $20 per month for the Plus plan, and I'm currently on the subscription for like another 2 weeks of the business plan. And I'm really, really liking Codex. In a lot of ways, it's actually better than Claude Code, believe it or not. So if I go ahead and say build a new feature over here, it's just going to go ahead and get started building out a new feature. It's going to ask for some questions first, similar to OpenCode over here. And as you can see, OpenCode is already starting to build out this new feature completely for free. It's not costing me a single credit to build this. And to me, I prefer that versus spending, $20 to $100 to $200 a month for the Claude Max plan. I would much rather use OpenCode or also Codex, which is also very affordable. So right now it's just going ahead and searching through my repository on GitHub, and it's going to run the brainstorming skill to come up with some new feature ideas. Looks like it's asking me if I want to finish the LLMS and AI.text generation bar feature. So I'm just going to go ahead and say yes, and it will get to cranking right away. And also, I've noticed that you really don't run out of credits nearly as quickly in Codex versus Claude Code. I was just blowing through my credits so quickly, which is one of the main reasons why I decided to switch to free Claude Code. And we're just going to go ahead and start building out this feature over here while OpenCode is also running. And this is on my local machine as well. It's not in the cloud. It's running on my local machine essentially. And yeah, so those are my recommendations. And now if I want to start back up the dev server over here, I can take a look at the site again. Looks like it's having some errors right now. So I'm just going to restart the dev server and then we can see what it looks like. So here we go. And if I want to test one of my other pages on the site, I could just come over to one of my blog articles, for example, on Tube Analytics, and we can run a free site audit on that as well. But unfortunately, right now I'm getting a 404 error. I think it's because we're still building out some features over here, and it's currently building the project. So we need to wait for that to finish before we can run another site audit. Looks like I'm getting some errors here. Again, that's because it's still building the app. But you can see it is built in Next.js, and it's just using a lightweight wrapper essentially and building out the entire website using the free AI models. And it's really not that much different than free Claude Code. You've got access to all of these models over here inside OpenCode completely for free, and then the other ones are very affordable. So for example, we've got Nemotron Nano in here, which is also free. So I'm just going to exit out of that, and we're going to do continue, and now it's using Nemotron Nano. And now it should run the site audit right away. You can see it's starting the audit, and it's running the AI visibility check. And you can see here's my AI visibility score for this particular blog article. So it's already really well optimized, and now I pretty much just have to make sure that all of this information is accurate and correct. But overall, it looks pretty good. Another thing that I built into this website is a simple speed test. So this is just using the Google Page Speed API essentially. And if I want to do a speed test on this blog article, I can test the speed. And you can see it has a nice little progress bar displayed here to track the progress. And then it returns my overall performance on both desktop and mobile. So essentially what I want this website to be is kind of like a one-stop shop for everything related to AI search visibility. And ultimately, that's going to help you rank in ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and all the other major crawlers. If we come over here, you can see here's all of the AI crawlers that are visiting my site, including Amazon Bot, Grokbot, Applebot, Byte Spider, which is the ByteDance TikTok spider, and a bunch of other ones, including DeepSeek Bot. And ultimately, I would like to build a lot of these features into my own app over here. Obviously, it's still a work in progress, but again, if you would like a link to check this out, drop a comment down below and I'd be happy to send it over. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Take care, stay safe. Peace from Thailand. Signing off.